In this video, we are discuss objective of limited liability partnership. Every LLP is incorporated to carry on a certain business activity with a motive to earn a profit at least at the time of incorporation. Partners decide the main objective of LLP, and the same is mentioned in the LLP agreement also. Agreement of the limited liability partnership is the charter which is similar to memorandum of association and articles of association of a company, which defines the nature of work the LLP is going to do. LLP cannot carry on any businesses activity which are not mentioned in the LLP agreement. What are the scenarios when the business activity of an LLP are required to be changed? If the partner decide to change the business line completely, in the case of the new product lines is to be added similar to the existing business of LLP, but if the new product lines which is to be added is not related to an existing business, then a new LLP has to be incorporated. If the LLP wants to take over a firm that is carrying on different business activity, in case the government authorities orders due to the change in the existing law. Whenever the business activity is prohibited under any law, the process is conduct a board meeting of the designated partner. A board meeting of all the partners is to be conducted for taking the consent of all the partners. Draft supplementary LLP agreement, filing an agreement with MCA. The supplementary LLP agreement must be approved by MCA. For MCA approval, LLP supplementary agreement must be filed in Form 3 within 13 days of extension of the LLP agreement. Approval from MCA. If the altered object clause is according to the law and all the documents are as per requirement, then the MCA will approve the form. After approval, the LLP can start new business activity.